Hi there, my name is Alexandra Kroitoru, and I will be talking about what is ABA. What is ABA? Simply put, ABA is applied behavior analysis. It means to analyze behaviors that are problematic and replace them with new behaviors. We apply the data taken from the analysis to implement social appropriate behaviors best suited for the client. Here are some examples of problematic behaviors and how we can adjust them with ABA. This is little Johnny. He is screaming and swinging his arms, aka having a tantrum because mom won't give him a cookie before dinner. As you can see, I have specifically defined what I want to constitute as a tantrum, which is screaming and swinging arms, and that is what others who are in problematic situations want to clearly define what they are looking for, so that others can also look for it as well. Mom is trying to implement healthier choices for little Johnny. Now he has to eat his peas first and then be rewarded with a cookie. This is a new strategy and Johnny isn't happy with the change. Here is how ABA is helpful. This is a tangible item for Johnny, the cookie. His mom has given into his tantrums. She reinforced his behavior, but hey, he still got a cookie. Win for Johnny. To change Johnny's behavior, we need to measure how often and how long the tantrums last. We will reward Johnny for however many peas he eats. If he can eat all 10 peas during dinner time, he will get a full cookie. If he only eats 5 peas, he will get half of a cookie. If Johnny has a tantrum before or during dinner, he doesn't get a cookie at all. Win for mom. This is Eric. He gets into trouble a lot. He is making paper airplanes with his math worksheet and flying it around the classroom during math time. He is sent to the principal's office for misbehaving. He continues to display the same behavior for the rest of the week. Here is how ABA is helpful. Through data collection, Eric is displaying escaping tendencies. He isn't good at math and displays inappropriate behaviors when he has to do math. To help Eric with his escaping tendencies, we can reward him with tangible and preference toys of his liking. When he sits down, asks for help, and correctly answers his math problems. Of course, the time and where can be delegated between the teacher and whomever else is on the team to help with Eric's problem. Our next example is with Amy. She started reading 3 months ago, but after her 6th birthday, she has been more obsessed with her iPad and doesn't want to read anymore. Her parents want to limit her screen time and tantrum time, but increase her reading time. Here's how ABA is helpful. Through observation and data collection, we can see that Amy wants access to her iPad. To make iPad time more accessible, we will implement our strategy once a day, right after school. Amy has to read 5 pages every night for school. So, for every page she reads, this is how many minutes of screen time she earns. These are my examples. I hope they fall within the requirements and preference of the assignment. Thank you so much and have a wonderful evening.